Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Fire TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. The buds are currently in the case. I'm going to open up the lid here. Now I know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. But I get a solid green light and then it goes off. The reason for me is because I'm currently connected to one of my phones. So for myself, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. Both the buds are in the case, and you have a little button right here. I'm going to press and hold until the light here starts blinking green, orange, green, orange. So button here, ready, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait, there we go. Orange, green, orange, green. Now it's in pairing mode. Now shoot over to your TV. You want to go directly to the settings. You can click on the home button on the remote and just navigate to that gear icon, the settings icon. So keep going over all the way over to the right there, and then select down on the remote, and we want to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Let's select that. From here all the way down to other Bluetooth devices, select that. Now go down one to add Bluetooth devices. Let's select that. And now it is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. These are still in the pairing mode, and it did find it. It's already highlighted. I'm going to click on OK on the remote. And voila, it says connected right there. And I know that we're connected up here. If I go to my other headphones here, it says select the connect, but if I go up to the OpenFits, it says press select to disconnect, so I know that I am currently connected. And there you go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting problems, you can always do a factory reset on these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.